Online teaching is difficult, but a hyperlink document can transform the resources you've used in the past and help students work at their own pace. I've created a hyperlink document on my Weebly, but you can do so in a Google Doc and share it with your students. It's just that easy. You would post an objective, you would have a warm-up, and then you would post some hyperlinks and directions for students to learn at their own pace. Maybe a student would choose to learn through websites or even some videos. I've posted a Khan Academy video here. I didn't even make that. So it's about curating those resources. You can also let students choose what type of practices they would, and they would click on the hyperlink and they can practice here. Then finally, you would have students complete an assessment. Let me help you create your own hyper document for your own class. I'm here to help.